Welcome to the Alpine floor plan. This beautiful two-story home includes 5 spacious bedrooms, with the master and 1 additional bedroom located on the first floor, and 3 additional bedrooms located on the second, 4 full bathrooms, a private study, a formal dining room, a generous family room with a corner fireplace, and a large, open-concept kitchen with a walk-in pantry and a cozy breakfast nook, all that interact perfectly with the outdoor patio. The master suite of the Alpine, located on the first floor, includes a private bathroom retreat with a separate shower, a soaker garden tub, dual vanities, and a huge walk-in closet. This incredible new home also features a spacious upstairs game room, an optional media room, as well as a walk-in laundry room, plenty of extra storage, and a 2-car or optional 3-car garage. And because Lennar is the only home builder in Nashville to offer everything's included homes, the Alpine also includes all of the energy features, kitchen appliances, and luxury designer upgrades that you've come to expect from Lennar. For more information on this amazing new home, or for directions to any of our premier Nashville communities, visit lennar.com.